Hey, what's up, guys? Blake here. Just gonna do the randomization video for the upcoming break. So here are the spots. I already put it into this spreadsheet. Just copy all this and plug it in to a list. And then I'm also gonna take the teams. And do that. Okay. And take the teams, copy, and put it into another list. And let's roll the dice. Okay. As everyone can see up in the top corner, it's 10-10. 10 times. I'm going to randomize both lists. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as I'll show again, it's 10 times 6 and 4. It's now 10, 11. 10th and final time. Okay. I'm going to take all these names, copy that, throw it back into this spot, and then, oops, I'm going to go to this list, which is all the teams. Start with this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's still 10, 11. I'm sure when this video is over, it's gonna be 10, 12. It's 10 times. Okay, so last and final time. Good luck, guys. Break will be Thursday or Friday. Thank you all. I'm just going to put done on this. I'm going to put the link up on this. Just recording on YouTube. Sorry, guys. So, yeah, good luck, guys, in the break. Have a good one. Bye.